More Texas jail and prison inmates and staff have been infected and killed by COVID-19 than any of those other states' criminal justice systems. More than 25,000 inmates have tested positive. That's more than the entire federal prison system. Channel 2's Taisha Walker is live now at the Harris County Jail downtown with the story. Taisha?
Lauren, as you just mentioned, the Harris County Jail is not immune to the pandemic as COVID-19 numbers continue to rise statewide. We know that the Harris County Sheriff's Office is working to mitigate and reduce the spread within the jail, but some family members of inmates say they're a little concerned.
The coronavirus is disproportionately impacting the jail and prison populations, according to an analysis by the University of Texas at Austin. There have been more than 230 COVID-related deaths in Texas correctional facilities since the start of the pandemic. That includes inmates and staff, per the UT report, which also found 80% of people who died in jail from the virus weren't even convicted of a crime. Texas is leading the nation with the most inmates infected with the virus. Harris County is at the top.
Well, we're the largest county jail in Texas by far. Our average daily population is close to 9,000.
The Harris County Sheriff's Office runs the jail downtown. Spokesman Jason Spencer says the jail isn't immune to the pandemic.
As of today, we have 3 inmates in the hospital being treated for COVID symptoms. Last week it was 0.
Since May, 6 inmates and 1 jail staff have died from COVID. Spencer says the biggest threat is outside people bringing it inside of the jail. He says new inmates are tested and cleared before they enter the general population. Evangeline Petrie says that was the case for her daughter, who was booked in May. Petrie is one of several loved ones of inmates that reached out to KPRC2, alleging unsanitary and concerning practices at the county jail.
Of course, I know that it's not a 5-star. You know, it's a jail.
Petrie claims while her daughter was quarantined upon arrival at the jail, she wasn't when she contracted COVID-19 in July.
I do know 100% sure that after she was tested that she did go back to population.
Spencer says if someone tests positive, they try to limit the person's exposure to others.
You can't socially distance in a jail. That's just not possible.
And Spencer says they test inmates daily for COVID-19, and there are plenty of masks on hand for those that need them. He also says, though, it has been a challenge to get inmates to comply. Reporting live from downtown, Taisha Walker, KPRC, Channel 2 News.